Hello and welcome to this very quick tip. This is a quick tip about this radio here. This radio is my X18s from FrSky. This is running ETHOS. Now I've had a couple of questions about can you control things like the brightness of the screen and also things like the volume using the sliders on the radio, and the answer is yes you can, but it's a little bit hidden away. Now to get to it you need to press the cog down here at the bottom of the screen. That's going to get you into the system menu, then you click on the general, and then in here you have all of your different options for how you want to do everything. So for example, down here we have brightness. So I'm going to use the scroll wheel in the bottom right hand corner to select it, and while it's selected I'm going to press and hold the enter key, and it's going to come up and give us three options. It's going to tell us we can set it to maximum, minimum, or use a source. And I'm going to select use a source. And then I'm going to click on the source. I'm going to select an analog switch. And rather than use the rudder, I'm going to set it to pot 1. And now, by sliding pot 1 around, there we go, I can change the brightness. So I'm out in the sunny field, I can turn it way up. If here I'm in a darkened room, which is how I'm having to film this because I haven't got a simulator for this yet on the PC that I can find, you can kind of set it with the switch with this rotatory control. Let me return out of that. If then we scroll all the way down and we find things like the volume, I've done the same thing with the volume here. And again, you press and hold the enter key and we can either convert to a value if we have it already set up. So if we already have the volume set to the level that we want, we can kind of lock it as such. But it now means that as I move the volume control, we can have it very quiet or we can have it very loud. And we can select that too. Exactly the same thing. Press and hold the enter key and it allows you to select it. Hopefully that is interesting for those of you that have this radio. You might not have discovered that feature. Going into the settings and pressing hold and the enter key will let you do this. You don't have to potentially use these. If you want to use some of the spare trims, you can also use those controls as well as the sliders too. There's a full playlist of tips and tricks like this for this radio. I'll put a link down below if you want to go and check it out. Thank you for watching the video. If you watch my videos and find them useful, then please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel a lot. If you really like what I'm doing here, you can become a Patreon and support the time I spend helping others and get access to lots of exclusive benefits. Link is in the video description. Remember that all the videos on the channel are organized into playlists, so you can easily use those playlists to find all the videos on a subject that you are interested in. Add Painless 360 to your searches on Google and YouTube, and it'll help you find my content for any particular topic. Thanks again for watching, and as always, happy flying.